Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear listeners, now we will look at the salient points in Chapter 1 of Vidya Vahini, written by Sathya Sai Baba. The chapter is titled Higher Learning. 3 points have been selected from Chapter 1. Point 1 defines Vidya. Now, let us listen to what Bhagavan writes. That which has no origin knows no beginning. It was before everything or anything was. There was nothing prior to it. For that very reason, it has no end. It expands as far as it wills, progresses as diverse as it feels, and through its fullness fills the universe. Knowledge of this supreme principle is known as Vidya, that which illumines spiritual knowledge, wisdom, awareness. Now point 2. Point 2 tells us that there are 2 worlds. One is the material, objective world, and the other is the non-material, subjective world. This material, objective world becomes visible to our eyes, pleases our senses, fascinates our minds, and informs our brain. But in and through this very world, there is one reachable, non-material, subjective world. When the non-material world is known, both worlds reveal themselves as partial expressions of the same indivisible consciousness, or Chaitanya. The 2 supplement each other into the one fullness, pronoun from the full or Parabrahma. The individual or Jiva, that is its complement, arises when the individual sheds the material corpus in which it is encased. The eternal universal consciousness is again the one fullness, the Parabrahma principle. Now point 3. Point 3 tells us which activities are holy and which are unholy. Give up the feelings I and you. Only then can you understand the glory of that which is neither I nor mine. This does not involve your renouncing everything the real teaching of Vidya directs that the world be dealt with as duty demands, but in a spirit of detachment, avoiding entanglement. The acid test by which an activity can be confirmed as holy or sacred is to examine whether it promotes attachment or avoids bondage. The acid test to decide whether an activity is unholy or sinful is to examine whether it arises from or promotes greed. This is the teaching, the lesson from spiritual knowledge of Vidya. Om Sri Sai Ram. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video, Chapter 2.